Hi all, this is a continuation of my previous video. So the user doesn't want the two bars um, beside these first two bars. So what you do is you combine the two tables, this table and this table together, right? So I've combined these two tables together, right? So you will get uh, you get addition, you put additional column successful, and then you put more than 0.4 less than 0.4, the numbers under successful, right? So what, let me show you, let me start the chart again. So what you do is you highlight everything, you go insert, you go bar chart, right? So this is not really what you want, so you switch the row to column, right? This might be what you want, but the bars, right, are not aligned, are not properly aligned. So I will teach you how to align. So first step is click on the chart, right? Then you right click, you change chart tab, change it to combo. Okay, combo. So new product, old product, clustered column, more than 0.4. You also select clustered column, right? As you can see here, it's not aligned, right? The title is not aligned. So what you do is you introduce a second axis for the successful columns. So the successful columns will be we have more than 0.4 and 0.4. So you just click these two column so that it will have a secondary axis, right? But now, right, you have two axes with two different values, right? So the hack for this is you click on the secondary value, then you delete it, right? So now all your graphs, right, are using the primary axis. So you can actually add data value to double check that it's using the primary axis. So you add all the data values. Right, you can see 17 is between 20 to 15, so it's all aligned to the primary axis. Hope this video will help you. If you like the video, please give it a like and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.